same as the Chevy Cruze. This is a what do you call it, Trax?
Trax.
We're going to be doing the water pump, which is leaking, which is connected to the thermostat right below there. We're also going to be doing the housing down here, because this is all made of plastic. Usually on the other ones, this hose is one hose and solid, but they finally put a connector here. And usually the reservoir would be up here in the Chevy Cobalt and the Cruze. But this is the Trax one, so it's a little different. They put it up here. Better design here, because you could just replace this one piece. Usually they integrated this with this, and I have one sitting up over there. But anyway, we're gonna replace all that because it's leaking down there. And we're also gonna be doing the tensioner, which is located right down there. Where is the tensioner? Oh, we took the tensioner off. Okay, that's why I couldn't find it. Okay, go over here. This is the new water pump that's gonna be going on the vehicle. Oh, I hear that. Also, we're doing spark plugs in the car, new gasket, put silicone on it to ensure it. That's the new tensioner, a new belt going onto the vehicle. Also, this is the housing for the driver's side. You see all the little heater hose pieces come off of here, and the main piece. Thermostat, which is connected to the water pump, and also an air filter. All right, it's not a how-to video, just showing you what you should do, because you skip one part on this, it's gonna come back to kick you in the rear end every single time. You know, we just replaced that, and then it'll come back for this. And if we replace this, it's gonna come back to that. Do the whole system. Bad design, everything's made of plastic. They do have an upgrade where they upgrade this to metal, but you know, it's unavailable at the moment. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And we'll get back to you with another video with the Hellcat Red Eye, and show you the power that it's got. All right,